Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. This is English revision. Monday that is a test, no? So I am giving English revision. I will read all the mains. Listen carefully. First main. Write the meanings. Affection, liking, love. Liking or love, love. Any one you can write. Second one, protect. Keep secure, give safety. KEEP, keep, SECURE, secure. Another one is GIVE, give, SAFETY, safety. Here two meanings are there, any one you can write. Third one, Aarti, a plate with lamps. PLATE, plate, WITH with LAMPS, lamps. Fourth one, brim, FULL, full. Fifth one, glow, shine, SHINE, shine. Sixth one, dwell, reside, stay, RESIDE, reside, STAY, stay. Two meanings are there, any one you can write. So from first I'll say affection, liking or love. Protect, keep secure, give safety. Third one, Aarti, a plate with lamps. Fourth one, brim, full. Fifth one, glow, shine. Sixth one, dwell, reside, stay. Second mean, complete a sentence using words from the bracket. So they given here in the bracket some words that you must see and write in the blanks. First one is protect, carrying, tying, festival, gift, Rocky, giving, affection. First one, Seema is dash a Rocky to her brother. So answer is tying. TYING, tying. Second one, Vishal is dash a gift to Sarla. The dash GIVING, giving. Third one, the brother promised to dash their sisters. So in the dash protect, PROTECT, protect. Fourth one, Seema and Vani are dash Rockies on a plate. So in the dash carrying, CARRYING, carrying. Fifth one, the sister ties dash to the brother. So answer is Rocky, RAKHI, Rocky. Sixth one, dash bind the siblings together. So in the dash, affection, AFFECTION, affection. Seventh one, I celebrate Rocky dash. So in the dash, festival, FESTIVAL, festival. Eighth one, the brother gives gift to the sister. So in the dash, gift, GIFT, gift. So these are fill in the blanks. From first I'll read. Seema is tying a Rocky to her brother. Vishal is giving a gift to Sarla. The brothers promise to protect their sisters. Seema and Vani are carrying Rockies on a plate. The sister ties Rocky to the brother. Affection binds the siblings together. Seventh one, I celebrate Rocky festival. Eighth one, the brother gives gift to the sister. Next main, write the opposites. High, low, LOW, low. Give, take, TAKE, take. Sweet, bitter, BITTER, bitter. Hot, cold, COLD, cold. Low, high, HIGH, high. So these are the opposites. Once again I'll repeat. High, low. Give, take. Sweet, bitter. Hot, cold. Low, high. Next main. Write the plurals. Plate, plates. PLATES, plates. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. Second one, sister, sisters. SISTERS, sisters. Third one, brother, brothers. BROTHERS, brothers. Fourth one, month, months. MONTHS, months. Fifth one, hand, hands. HANDS, hands. Sixth one, Rocky, Rockies. RAKHIS, Rockies. So these are the plurals. Once again I'll repeat. Plate, plates. Sister, sisters. Brother, brothers. Month, months. Hand, hands. Rocky, Rockies. Next, fifth main. Change the genders. First one, brother, sister. SISTER, sister. Second one, uncle, aunt. AUNT, aunt. Third one, grandfather, grandmother. GRAND, grand, MOTHER, mother, grandmother. Fourth one, father, mother. MOTHER, mother. Once again I'll repeat this one, genders. Brother, sister, uncle, aunt. grandfather, grandmother, father, mother. Now next main. Sixth main. Fill in the blanks. We light the dash and our hearts glow. So in the dash, lamps, lamps, lamps. Second one, we put kumkum and dash on the head. So in the dash, blessed rice, blessed, blessed, rice, rice. Third one, the farmer works in a dash. So in the dash, field, field. Fourth one, the singer sings dash, songs, songs. Fifth one, a pilot flies a plane, plane, plane. Sixth one, we do what is dash and clean. So in the dash, write, rigst, write. So these are fill in the blanks. Once again I will repeat. We light the lamps and our hearts glow. Second one, we put kumkum and blessed rice on the head. Third one, the farmer works in a field. Fourth one, the singer sings songs. Fifth one, a pilot flies a plane. Sixth one, we do what is right and clean. Next main, seventh main, match the following. See in the A side they are given monkey, bee, bird, cow, lion, horse. In the B side, nest, tree, cattle, den, stable, beehive. So you must match this one. So first one monkey. In the B side, second line it is a tree, that is 1. Second one the bee. In the sixth line it is there beehive, that is 2. Bird. So in the B side it is there in the first line, that is nest, 3. Fourth one cow. So in the B side in the third line it is there cattle, so that is 4th. Fifth one lion. So in the B side in the fourth line it is there den, so that is 5. Sixth one horse. So in the B side in the fifth line it is there stable, so that is 6. Now I will read correct answer. Monkey, tree, bee, beehive, bird, nest, cow, cattle, lion, den, horse, stubble. Next is poem. Write the poem. I'll read the poem. Slice, slice, the bread looks nice. Spread, spread, butter on the bread. On the top, put the jam, so sweet. Now it's nice for me to eat. Okay, children, so this is the poem. S-L-I-C is slice, S-L-I-C is slice. T-H-E the, B-R-E-A-D bread, L-O-O-K-S looks, N-I-C-E nice. S-P-R-E-A-D spread, S-P-R-E-A-D spread, B-U-T-T-E butter, O-N on, T-H-E the, B-R-E-A-D bread. O-N on, T-H-E the, T-O-P top, P-U-T put, T-H-E the, J-A-M jam, S for so, S-W-E-T sweet. N-O-W now, I-T-S eats, N-I-C-E nice, F-R for, M-E me, T-O-2, E-A-T eat. So these are poems. Okay children. Next main, answer the following. First one, what happens when we light the lamp? So the answer is, when we light the lamps, our hearts will go. Next, who ties the threads on whom? Sister ties the thread on brother's hand. Where is Suma going? Suma is going to the market. What do brothers promise to their sister? Answer, brothers promise to protect their sister. Fifth one, what does she want to buy? Answer is, she want to buy Rockies. Sixth one, what do the sister carry in a plate? Sisters carry sweets and Rocky in a plate with Aarti in it. So these are the question answers. Once again I will repeat the answer. First one, what happens when we light the lamp? Answer is, when we light the lamps, our hearts will glow. Second one, who ties the thread on whom? Sister ties the threads on the brother wrist. Third one, where is Suma going? Suma is going to the market. Fourth one, what do brothers promise to their sisters? Brother promise to protect their sisters. Fifth one, what does she want to buy? Answer, she want to buy Rockies. What do the sister carries in a plate? So sisters carry sweets and Rocky in a plate with Aarti in it. Okay children. So these are test revision. English, Monday is test no. So sit and prepare for the test. Thank you children.